Come test drive the 2019 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, traction control, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, air conditioning, power steering, home link garage door opener, floor mats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.